after a very long flight, we've just landed in Liberia, I think it's pronounced. I'm sweating to high hell because we were dressed for UK weather and it's 32 degrees here at night. But this is where we're staying. We're only stopping here for one night, but this room costs us £11 per person. Tomorrow we're going to get the shuttle bus to Fortuna. The Spanish pronounce it a lot better than what we do. So this is just a base for the night because we've just had an 11-hour flight that got delayed for 2 hours because a catering truck hit the side of the plane and damaged it. It's not very often you hear that happening when it comes to travelling, but obviously that would happen to us.
And then we met the pilot's daughter who was telling us that they were just pulling up in the airport.
And this time we are backpacking again. If you watch any of our other videos, you notice we were lugging a suitcase around with us, but we are back backpacking. I can't get over how sweaty I am. And I've also clocked about 10 mosquitoes in this room already, so that's fun. I'll just quickly show you the outside chilling area. No. Oh, am I getting all them mites? Am I getting all them mites? Am I? Oh yeah. That's how it is, isn't it? Now we're gonna go get some food and sleep, because we have been awake for 24 hours. Find a little shop.
Little?
We could try and get some dinner and some food. This is a little bit better video of where we're staying. There's a cute little kitchen area as well. And this is us packing. I think I've just been bit by a mozzie since I went out there. Instantly. So we've done our one night here and now we are on our way to the Fortuna. I'll write the name here because I'm not too sure how you pronounce it, not yet anyway. It's about 2.5 hours away and we're going to get the shuttle bus there, which has cost us $80 US between us. So about £35 each, which isn't bad for a 2.5 hour journey. And then once we get there, we're going to have 5 days there. But we're still knackered. This is where we stayed. Now we are waiting for our bus. It looks hot
Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo que quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo que quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi.
Pero es... No. No, aquí, en la mano, en la mano. Oh. No, aquí, en la mano, en la mano. Oh.
So we just got a 2-hour taxi to Rio Danta Hostel in La Fortuna.
We love it here already. So it's quiet and peaceful and nice and not what I was expecting.
So now we're going to go and get some food.
Yeah, so we can't check in till 2. We have got here early, but we thought we'd go and get some lunch.
Te conseguí, desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba aún así.
This is our hostel in Fortuna. There's cute little hammocks down there by the river. This is the view. That's like a chill out area over there, there's more hammocks. And then we are staying up here. It's called Rio Dante. We actually had to book a room with 2 beds because we left it too late and the original one wanted to book wasn't available anymore. But this one does come with a kitchen and it's a private bathroom, and it wasn't that much more. This one costs £222 for 5 nights, so it works out about £22 each a night.
Very dirty rich shower.
Yes, it's got a bit of a dodgy looking shower, but you know, what do you want to expect for that much money? It has got aircon though, so that's a bonus. And we're probably about a 5-minute walk out of the town centre, but today we're just gonna chill and enjoy the jungle and the hammocks. As per usual.
Best quick meal.